So there's a steady stream of credit card issuers doing the same thing, yes?
Yes, there are. There were some American issuers last week who came forward and said, our account holders, no way, there's no way you're going to be able to use your credit cards to buy Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies. This is, I think what we're seeing is the backlash, and it's happening on the regulatory side, but now we're seeing the banks do it too.
Ed, I mean, the price, I mean, just choose your time, choose your metric. It's the fall, it's precipitous, isn't it?
Yes, and think about how many new entrants came into the market in December. That's when the hype was the highest. Everyone's coming out after Thanksgiving and they're buying into December.
10 to 19,000, that period.
Right. So I think there's probably a lot of pain being felt by those. But another interesting thing that's really developing in the market now is I think we're seeing the role of short sellers. I think we're seeing the impact of the ability to short. We saw the futures contracts come out in Chicago. We're also seeing short selling using other futures exchanges. I think that might be having an effect on starting to temper the price. The shorts are starting to catch up with the longs.
Right now, Bitcoin futures on CBOE down 12% at 7,460 per Bitcoin. Ed, the reports of all the heists and all the, the criminality that's going on when it comes to stealing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, is that having an impact on the retail investor here as well?
I have to think that the fear is prevalent and the fear is powerful. Because think about it, there's a paradox with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is all about transparency. It's about seeing the blockchain. It's about seeing transactions. It's having no central control. But it's also the mother of all black boxes. I mean, we can't see inside these exchanges. We don't know who the big players are. And when you see headlines start flashing on fraud or hacks or coins are disappearing and there's press conferences in the middle of the night in Japan about $500 million in coins missing, that fear factor has to be huge right now.